Hey guys, it's Ryan back with another video. If you're just tuning in for the first time, my name's Ryan. I make Audi content, post all the newest cars, show some cool features. Today I'm bringing you a 2021 Audi SQ7 in Matador Red. This is going to be the prestige trim that I show you. A lot of goodies added to this model. Stay tuned. Some of the exterior features. We got the carbon fiber mirror caps. A 21-inch wheel package with the red brakes. It's got the matrix LED lights. This one's got the black optic package as well. So full black grille. They also optioned in, sorry about that guys, the black rings. Got the quad exhaust. So this thing is pretty powerful. V8, turbocharged. Again, all the blacked out badges, full LED lights in the back, that's standard. This Matador Red is absolutely gorgeous. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Would you drive this? Guys, this is the interior. Again, Alcantara suede, prestige with the luxury package. Heads-up display, only in prestige. Take a look at these seats. Absolutely gorgeous. This is the Rotor gray, the diamond stitched, embossed S logo, all the perforated. The center stack is absolutely gorgeous. All carbon fiber. The dual screen, top ones for navigation, GPS, bottoms for climate control and shortcuts. I'll show you that later. So with the Q7, this being the SQ7, same amount of room, interior cargo volume is the same. So this is Audi's only vehicle that offers the third row, standard on all models. Your buttons are off to the side, and that's all power to power up the third row. And then once they're up, you can flip those. Still a decent amount of room. Showing you guys the back seat here. Bang & Olufsen, suede, Alcantara, sunshades built in. Backs of the seats. And then back here, all perforated leather. And that will all light up when the car's on, as far as heated rear seats, climate control for the rear. Then you have the USB Type-Cs, that's the third one and the fourth one in the car. The front two are up front. Just pop the hood. Also has the radars in the front of the grille there. So the adaptive cruise control. Here's the engine, guys. It's a V8, turbocharged. It's 500 horsepower. It's a 6,000 pound vehicle. But that 500 horsepower feels so good in it. And like I said, instant power, quattro all-wheel drive. Definitely something you guys should go and test drive. Just a quick little interior overview. So it's got the carbon vector inlays. Again, the suede. And then all black Alcantara headliner. Again, your media system with the haptic feedback. And then down here. So this is all climate control. If you click the seat on the screen, you'll actually have the option to either get a massage, adjust the seat, portions of it. Actually got the massage going right now, feels so good. And then down here, this is the shortcuts. So you can put home address, radio stations all down there. This is the garage door opener. And again, with the Prestige, you'll get the heads-up display. The shifter, got the S logo on the wheel. And then in here, wireless charger. There's the USB 1 and 2, Type C. And then all ambient lighting at night will come from under here. Again, just to give you a look at the seats one more time. The embossed S logo, nice sport style seat. Perforated leather. And again, everything's adjustable, so you can extend that out. You have the ability to get the bolsters to tighten up. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. Please hit that subscribe button, like and comment the video if you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments section. Take care.